Assalamualaikum everyone, Pepe holders. What's up? How are you doing? Is everything okay? How is the investments in Pepe going on? Is this the meme community that is actually going to be more popular alongside with Dogecoin and SHIB and whatever? Is Pepe the next big thing in the meme coins category? Who knows? It actually got the attention of Elon Musk. Yesterday people were commenting that, yeah, Elon Musk tweeted about Pepe. So there you go. Even more attention. One of the most influential person, popular person tweeting about Pepe can actually mean something big because the community is now growing and a lot of people have been in profits with Pepe. Now, back to the charts. The hype is amazing. The hype is 10 out of 10. But let's talk about the charts, okay? The charts and the hype are two different things, so don't combine and mix them together. So as far as I remember, yesterday we talked about this one big resistance level. So if I do remove the EMS to show you clearly, I told you that you have a technical target come up here if you're going to break this resistance. You break this resistance and you're looking to pump up very quickly, or otherwise you might end up pumping up and coming down with a wick. But unfortunately, that target is not coming because of this wall. You got a wall and the wall is there. So the rule number one of a trend line, okay, so when we talk about trend lines, it takes 3 touches to confirm a trend line, okay? So this is a trend line, that's why it's known as a trend line. And a trend line, we use them to draw supports and resistance. Speaking of resistance now, this is your resistance and you got 1 touch, 2nd touch, 3rd one, and it's your 4th one. So these 3 touches here were just good enough to confirm a trend line, and then we draw and extended that trend line right over there, okay? So that actually becomes a resistance, and resistance by definition means something that is persisting or stopping something to go ahead. So yeah, it's just like having a plumbing issue. You have a pipe and the water isn't actually going there because of some certain resistance. Yeah, so the water is not flowing to the upside because there is a very big resistance. We actually need to call the plumber, and we have to tell the plumber that, hey, we need to get Pepe out of here and please fix this issue. Now, I don't know if that plumber is going to be Elon Musk. I don't know if it's going to be the Pepe whales or the Pepe community. But if the plumber is not going to do a good job, the pipe is eventually going to break down, okay? Understand that. And you're going to have to have a new pipe. And by new pipe, it means get out of Pepe and try to find a new coin, okay? So yeah, the pipe is having issues at the moment. The plumber, we're calling out the plumber. I don't know if this sounds funny or not, but I'm pretty sure it's effective to understand the support and resistance. That's all I came up with. So if it's funny or not, I don't care. If you find it funny and very useful, even if it's a childish explanation, just subscribe to this channel. I'm trying to get to 30,000 subscribers in June. June is my birthday, so I kind of need 30,000. Can I go to 30,000 in the next month, in 30 days? I don't know. I'm sitting at 17,500. Who knows? Magic happens at any time. There's one more thing I want to bring in your attention as well, and that is on the daily time frame. And by the way, if you haven't really texted me on Twitter, I'm feeling bad because a lot of people have texted me, 100 plus people have texted me on Twitter, and I'm telling them one coin for free, and they are agreeing with me. I don't know. I challenge you to disagree with me if that coin is a bad idea to buy. I'm not saying this for publicity stunt, but it's actually me thinking like, you know what? If anything else, you're going to clap. I'm a performer. I come on YouTube. This is my platform to perform, and I need you to clap. So that's it. That's what I'm working for. My audience, and you clap for me, and I'm a performer. I'm living for the clap. So if I'm giving you that coin, it's so that I want to see that coin going up. I want to see you actually get that profit, and I want you to see at the end clapping at that decision. So that's what I'm living for. Here we go, and what I'm bringing you, the thing that I want to tell you is on the daily. So number one, you got a very nice, good bullish engulfing. This is the red candle. This is the green candle. Candlestick reading does say that this is bullish engulfing, but it's nonsense and meaningless if you still have the resistance. Again, the pipe is still blocked, resistance. And on top of that, it's even way more worse that you're getting more licks in the pipe because you got this one red candle, and it's almost like a doji. But in the next 6 hours, 41 minutes, this candle actually closes. And the way it closes is going to mean something. And if it closes in the following shape, like this, so I'm going to bring in something that I Googled out so that I can show you very, very quickly. If it closes out to be a hanging man, something like this, okay, then you're going to be in a very big trouble. It's almost like a hammer. If you see the body like this and a little bit of a wick like that, that signifies a downtrend, as you can see. Okay, so prior to that you had green candles, and then you make that red candle, and then you go to the downside. So if you look at things this way, yeah, hopefully I got it back. So here we go. Yeah, if you look at it, so we got the green candle right there, and you're about to make that one red candle, which is almost like a hanging man, and in the next 6 hours you're going to get to know. Then be very careful, because when you make a bearish, this is a bearish candle, by the way, it's a candle that signifies movement to the downside depending on the direction where you make it. If it was made down here like this, that will be okay, move up, okay? But it's making in an uptrend after a green candle, so it means down like this. And if you make another red candle all the way to the downside, you're going to make an evening star combining this green candle, doji in the middle, and one red candle, and then you continue to go all the way to the downside. Same scenario repeats again and again, and people are saying that, yeah, this is cool to learn. Where can we learn more about? So I do have a whole 18 hours course of content that I've put my 6 years of knowledge into that content. So if you want to learn, message me on Twitter. It's $250. I'm going to give you a discount if you're serious about learning and you've been looking to try to learn from someone. Yes, even if you're a beginner and you don't know anything about trading, it's going to help you to be a better trader. I challenge you to say it didn't help you. So that's it for this update on Pepe right now. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.